Welcome back. I know this video is coming out a little bit later than typical on Sunday, so thank you for your patience. My son came home from school on Friday not feeling very well, and so it kind of just threw off my weekend a little bit, but he's doing better. Yesterday was kind of a lay on the couch and do nothing all day long, which is very atypical for him. He rarely ever gets sick and he hates having to slow down. So hopefully he will be 100% better tomorrow and we can just get back to normal. But that is why I'm a little bit later than normal with the Walgreens deals. Now, I'm going to walk you through the deals I did. I had the spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. I also had a booster that was like spend 20, get 5 or spend 60, get 20, but it said in the fine print online only. It didn't say anything about being able to use it in store, and I'm just not going to do online stuff to the $60 amount, so I figured I'd just use my spend 20, get 5 digital booster. I did use that in store, so I'll tell you how I used it. I only did one deal as an online deal specifically, so I'll tell you about that too. And at the very end of the video, I will have pictures of items I found on clearance. Speaking of, last week, I know there was stuff stuck on the screen and that drives me crazy. So this video today, I will be using a different editing app, so hopefully I won't have any of those issues anymore going forward. Thank you for your sweet comments about that. All right, let's talk about, okay, this is a really good one and it's a freebie, so let's talk about this one first. The Kinder Joy eggs. Check your Swagbucks app because there was a Swagbucks offer for $4 back when you buy 2 of these, and these are 2 for $4, so that makes them completely free. Plus, you can do it twice per week. So I purchased 4 of these for $8, got back $8 on Swagbucks, making them free. Now, if you don't know what Swagbucks is, it is a cashback app, just like I bought it in the others. I have a complete tutorial on it, so if you want to know how it works, you can check that video out. And then I will drop my link for Swagbucks down below, because if you're brand new, that link would allow you to get an additional $3 when you scan your first receipt. Now, the other Kinder offer is on the Kinder Bueno. These are the ones that would have to be done online. They're $1.29 each. There is a $3 off 2 digital coupon, and it was applying to purchasing 2 of these, dropping my final cost down to $0 for both of these. Like I said, I did this online as a curbside order. I did not try this in store. If you try it in store, let me know. Typically it won't work because the cost of the item is less than the value of the coupon, and in store that typically is not going to work. So add this to a curbside or an online purchase. Now, the Tresemme is a good deal this week. This is an in-store deal because it gives you a register reward. These are $6 each, so $12 for 2 of them. And there is a $5 digital coupon, so you pay $7, get back a $5 register reward, leaving your final cost to be $2 for both of them, or $1 each. Yes, you could use your Walgreens cash to pay for these, so you could roll Walgreens cash into a register reward doing this deal. The Axe, these are buy one, get one half off. Now, the online price for these, $4.99. So $4.99 plus $2.49. There is a $4 digital coupon. That leaves your final cost to be $3.48 for both of them, or $1.74 each. Now, check your Fetch Rewards app because there were quite a few different Axe offers on Fetch. Mine was like a spend 20, get 5, so it just got me a little bit closer to that $5 one. But if you have Fetch, you might as well check and see if you have an offer for the Axe as well. The Cottonelle, this one uses the Shopkick app, which I like. Again, I have a full tutorial on it if you want to check it out. The Cottonelle toilet paper is $4.99. There is a $1 digital coupon, so you'd pay $3.99. But then the Shopkick offer gives you $2 back, making it just $1.99 for this pack of toilet paper. If you don't want to mess with it or you don't have Shopkick, the nice Walgreens brand toilet paper is also just $1.99 on sale this week. Now, I haven't done a Procter & Gamble deal on the paper towels, toilet paper in a while, but this week they are $5.49 each. Buy 4, get a $5 register reward. But it is double dipping with the spend 20, get a $5 register reward. So you would want to do this in store. Pick up 4 products of the Bounty, the Bounty Essentials, or the Charmin. I went ahead and like mixed and matched and grabbed one of each at $5.49. I went on to the PG Good Everyday Rewards site and I printed a $3 coupon for the Bounty and a $3 coupon for the Charmin. I haven't used paper coupons in forever, but I did print one of each of those because they were a high value. I also had a 50-cent digital for each of those. So the $3 attached to 2 items, the 50-cent attached to an item, and then the 50-cent attached to an item, leaving me to pay $14.96. I got back a $5 register reward for spending 20. I got back a $5 register reward for buying 4, making it $4.96 for all 4 of them, or $1.24 each. My deal was actually cheaper because I purchased these 4 products all on their own. Okay, so it was over $20 to begin with, and I had that spend booster of spend 20, get 5. So I paid that $14.96 after coupons, and then I got back the 2 $5 register rewards, and then the $5 for spending 20. So I paid $14.96, but I got $15 back, which makes them all free. So not bad deals. It was actually a little bit better of a week than I thought it was going to be. A couple other deals you might consider. The complete home trash bags are buy 1, get 2 free, which makes them $1.66. The Tide, Bounce, Downy products are 4 for $9. We see that sale quite a bit. If you have coupons, you can use coupons on that deal as well, but $2.25 each is a decent price for the Tide products. I mentioned the toilet paper. The nice toilet paper is $1.99. Their cereal and their chips are also $1.99 on sale. The Snickers and Reese's, like Halloween type bags of candy, $1.99. The Quaker Oats are 2 for $9, which makes them $4.50 each. That's cheaper than what my grocery store sells them for. There were these Bear brand fruit rolls for $8. There's $1 digital, so you'll pay $7. You'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. I had a 75-cent on each. $1.50 back on Ibotta, which would make them $2.25 a box for those Bear fruit rolls. The old El Paso products are also buy 1, get 1 free, and there's Ibotta offers. So the taco shells are $3.29. Buy 1, get 1 free, so you pay $3.29. Then you get back 50 cents on Ibotta, making it $2.79 for both, or $1.39 per pack of taco shells. If you do the taco kits, they are $5.49, buy 1, get 1 free. Then $1 back on Ibotta, making it $4.49 for both of them. Now, there is $1 off 3 coupon on the old El Paso products. So obviously you don't want to buy 3 if they're buy 1, get 1 free. But if you're buying 4 of those products, now I'm wondering, because the online price is cheaper, and I haven't put this in my cart because it's not products that we would use. Try it out, put 4 of the products in your cart, see if that $1 off 3 coupon works. I'm honestly not sure. I should have tried it out before I started the video. But you might have to buy 6 products for that $1 off 3 coupon to work for you. All right, that was everything that I bought. If you're finding other deals, let us know. I'll post a few more deals here at the end of the video, as well as all the things that I found on clearance. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you guys. I think last week I mentioned that I was going to do the XM radio, that I've been meaning to do it. I finally did that deal. Yes, it was 100% free. No, I did not have to provide any type of payment information. And I kind of just love it because there's no commercials and I can just get in my car and listen to music. So I love it. But that's why they offer it to you for free, because they know you're going to fall in love with it. And now I've got to decide in 3 months, am I going to want to pay for XM radio? Which, if you know me, I'm probably never going to do that. But check it out for 3 months completely free. I will drop that link down below in the comments. Hope y'all have a great start to your week. Thanks.